Hey, let's connect your PS5 to your Toshiba 4K Smart Fire TV using HDMI and how you can set it up properly. So let's see the fastest way to get it ready for gaming. So first you have to grab your HDMI cable and the power cable. So now on the back of your PS5 console, you will find the power and the HDMI port. So you just have to plug one end into your PS5 and just connect the HDMI port and the power cable one by one. Now you have to turn on your PS5 by pressing and holding the power button until the blue LED light shows up. Now go to the input section. So here you can see the HDMI 2, it's showing the light. So I just select it and the PS5 logo should appear. You have to keep patience when you're trying to connect. So if you see an error message like this, don't worry. Just grab your PS5 controller, press and hold the PS button, and follow the on-screen instruction. So here you have to press OK whenever prompted, and you will see the welcome back to PlayStation screen. And finally add your users or log into your existing account, and your PS5 is ready to use. And now just sit back and enjoy your games and have fun gaming on your Toshiba 4K Smart Fire TV. Hope this guide helped. Thanks for watching.